Hi everybody, welcome back to another video with rules of games. Today we're going to talk about vitamin D3 25 mcg, or in other words, it is the 1000 IU. So vitamin D3 is the body's preferred form of vitamin D, and it supports the bone, teeth, muscle, and immune system. As you can see today, the brand that we're going to talk about is Nature Made. It is the #1 pharmacist recommended, and uh, I use it and it is good. And this one is the vitamin D supplement 350 tablets, and the brand is Nature Made, as we can see. Let's go ahead and see the active ingredients, which is vitamin D3, 25 mcg or 1000 IU, which is 25%. And you also getting calcium too in this one. You're getting 92 milligram or 7% calcium. This was made in the USA, I believe. Let's go ahead and check. Yeah, the USA. And it has no color added, no artificial flavors, no preservation, no yeast, gluten free. And it really helps, and I can see that it really helps, and it does not make my stomach upset, and I really recommend it. But before you start, make sure to ask your doctor, because it is very important whether you should take vitamin D or not, and how long you should take it. But if you're looking to buy this Nature Made vitamin D3 and you came to this video to see whether if it's good or not, I say it's good, I like it, and I use it. And again, vitamin D3 is more effective than vitamin D2 at driving and maintaining adequate levels of circulating vitamin D in the body. The way I use this one is just use take one tablet daily with meal, because if you take it with meal, it's better for you and it does not make your stomach upset. uh, Again, before you use this one, make sure to ask your doctor whether you should use it or not, and whether he recommends it for you or not. If you have any question about it, or you want me to review another medication and vitamins, feel free to comment below. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.